Hello students, welcome to this lecture number 35, and this is DP Devedi, your mathematics teacher. Today we will solve exercise 7.1, and students in lecture number 28. Lecture number 28, it was an initial video lecture of this chapter triangles, and basics were told you in that lecture, and after lecture number 28 we have 35 lecture number and we will continue in this chapter. तो स्टूडेंट्स उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे और आप अपनी स्टडी कंटिन्यू कर रहे होंगे. तो लेक्चर नंबर 28 में काफ़ी कुछ आपको डिस्कस किया गया था. बेसिक्स टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स एंड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स, रूल्स फॉर कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स and what are similar triangles, etc., and how to prove given triangles congruent. So students, we have in journal there are 4 criteria of congruency of triangles: SSS, SAS, and AAS, and RHS. So students, I hope, हमें उम्मीद है कि आपने लेक्चर नंबर 28 कम्प्लीटली देखा होगा. अगर आपने लेक्चर नंबर 28 नहीं देखा तो आप उसको एक बार देख लें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, जिससे आगे आपको न्यू नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें. और अगर आपने इसको देख लिया है तो उसके आगे हम 7.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ट्राई करेंगे. आइए क्वेश्चन करते हैं हम. इसके पहले आपको ट्राइंगल्स, टाइप्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स एंड क्राइटेरिया फॉर कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ 2 triangles एंड हाउ टू कंपेयर 2 triangles, it must be known by you. Okay, so question number 2 is here. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to CAB, and we have to prove number 1, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC, number 2, BD is equal to AC, and number 3, ABD is equal to BAC. So okay students, we have a quadrilateral ABCD, and this AD line is equal to BC, and this angle DAB is equal to CBA, and we have to prove triangle ABD and BAC. So students, for proof we take in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Without any doubt students, we take that angles, those angles who we have to prove. हमें ये 2 ट्रायंगल प्रूव करना है तो हम ये 2 ट्रायंगल को यहाँ पे लेंगे. ABD एंड BAC, we have 2 triangles. अब स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज गिवन? तो वी हैव टू राइट गिवन थिंग्स. गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. We will use these 2 given points. तो in case ABD triangle, ABD and BAC, तो no doubt AD is equal to BC equal है, because these are given. In both the triangles, AD side of ABD and BC side of BAC both are equal because these were given. Now angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. This was also given. This is also given. Means we have one side equal and one angle equal. Now students, we need 3 criteria. Means we need 3 particulars which will be equal. Number 1, SSS or SAS or AAS, 2 angle एक side, right angle hypotenuse and side. Yeah, in this case side, angle and side. But here we have first side, this is just, and second angle. In this case we have angle ANGLE. But we remain one more. We have to find one more equality. It may be side or it may be angle. So see your diagram. Look here and compare both the triangles. Which side or which angle is equal also. So if we think about these triangles, then we think about side AB. अगर हम side AB के बारे में सोचें तो AB side is common in both the triangles ABD and BAC. It means clear that AB is equal to AB, which is common in both the triangles, common side. Okay, so by criteria, what criteria? Side angle side, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So students, the first part of this question has been proved कर दिया गया. Now we want to find ABD is equal to AC. हमको ये दिखाना है कि ये BD and AC both are equal. We know that by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. We can write here BD is equal to AC. Proved. Students, write full form of CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. It means if we have two triangles which are congruent, then all corresponding sides or corresponding angles will be equal. So if we have proved two triangles congruent, then by CPCT, that is by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. So if ABD and BAC are congruent, then we can say by CPCT BD is equal to AC. Proved. And angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. This is also proved by CPCT. Student, remember CPCT. So CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Write the solution. Okay students, so this second question has been proved by, and we want to write full form of CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. Okay students, so remember and write these lines. Okay, so write down the solution. So okay students, students, now we have question number 4. In this question it is given that line LM parallel means L parallel M and P parallel Q, and we have to prove triangle ABC, that is triangle, and CDA, this triangle, both are congruent. So now in this case, students, if two parallel lines are intersected by two other parallel lines, then a parallelogram is formed. So from figure FIGURE, we have ABCD is a parallelogram, and in case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, so students, we will compare sides of ABC and CDA. In case of ABC, because ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC, and this one is common between both the triangles. So similarly, we will write, as according to property of parallelogram, in case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal, and diagonals bisect each other. So there are many properties of parallelograms. One of them is opposite sides are equal. So this property is used here. Opposite sides means AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So we can write here AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. You can write here opposite sides of parallelogram which are equal, and last one is AC is equal to AC. This side is common. So by SSS criteria, here three corresponding sides are equal in both the triangles. So by criteria SSS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA, and it is proved. Okay students, so it has been proved. Very simple question. First we should identify the parallelogram, and here if L parallel M and P parallel Q, then we have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and in case of parallelogram we know property that opposite sides are equal. Therefore AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC, and one side AC is common between two triangles. So by triple SSS criteria we have proved ABC and CDA triangles are congruent. Write down. So students, we have question number 6, 7.1, question number 6. So in this question a diagram is given. We have two triangles ABC and ADE. Okay, AC is equal to AE given. AC means this line and AE means that line, both are given. Similarly AB is equal to AD is given, and angle BAD is equal to AC. BAD means this angle is equal to EAC. So students, we have to prove that, yes, so that BC is equal to DE. So BC this line and DE that line. So before showing that BC is equal to DE, we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle ADE are congruent, and after that we will use criteria CPCT. According to CPCT, you know, all corresponding sides are equal of congruent triangles. So students, we should have proof in triangle ABC and triangle ACE, ABC and ADE. So in both the triangles, first of all we know that AB is equal to AD given. So students, look here, AB is side of ABC triangle, and AD is side of ADE triangle. So both are equal. Similarly AC is equal to AE, this side is also given. Okay, now we have another triangle, angle BAD, and another angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, angle EAC. Students, remember कि these angles are equal, but these are not from both the triangles. But if we want to equate, यदि हम इक्वल करना चाहते हैं इन ट्राइंगल ABC ये एंगल एंड इन ट्राइंगल ADE ये एंगल, अगर हमें ये दो एंगल इक्वल मिल जाएं तो हमारा काम बन सकता है स्टूडेंट्स. तो आप देखिए कि द पोर्शन ऑफ एंगल्स BAD एंड EAC, दिस वन इज इक्वल. ये आपका इतना हिस्सा इक्वल है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब इक्वल कौन सा हिस्सा नहीं है? ये वाला. सपोज कीजिए ये x डिग्री है. लेट अस सपोज दैट द एंगल बिटवीन दीज टू इक्वल एंगल्स इज x डिग्री. ओके, इट मीन्स अगर हम BAC करना चाहते हैं तो एंगल BAD प्लस DAC, तो हम सेपरेट कर लेंगे, लेट एंगल DAC इज इक्वल टू x डिग्री। अब देखिए, अगर आप बोथ द साइड्स x डिग्री ऐड कर देंगे, यहाँ भी आपने x डिग्री ऐड किया और आप यहाँ भी आपने x डिग्री ऐड किया, तो क्या हो गया आपका, देखिए BAD प्लस x, BAD प्लस x, इट बिकम्स BAC। एंगल ये हो जाएगा आपका BAC इज इक्वल टू, सिमिलरली EAC एंड x, देखिए EAC एंड x तो हो जाएगा EAD, एंगल EAD। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो वी हैव साइड, एंगल एंड देन साइड, तो बाई साइड एंगल साइड क्राइटेरिया, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. Okay, तो thus we have proved both the triangles are congruent. Once again, एक बार आपको हम फिर बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स। see here there are two triangles. तो एक बार देखें आप, और we have two triangle ABC and अगर अदर ट्राइंगल ADE। अब आप देखिए कि ABC में AB एंड ADE में AD बोथ आर इक्वल, बोथ साइड्स आर फ्रॉम टू डिफरेंट ट्राइंगल्स, एंड नेक्स्ट ABC में AC एंड ADE में AE बोथ आर इक्वल, टू करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स फ्रॉम टू डिफरेंट ट्राइंगल्स। और नाउ वी विल कंसीडर अबाउट एंगल। अब हम एंगल के बारे में सोचें कि एंगल हमको केवल गिवन है, अगर हम यहाँ पे नंबरिंग कर दें तो 1 and 2, हमें एंगल 1 and 2 इक्वल गिवन है। ओके, बट वी नीड एंगल 1 प्लस x डिग्री इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 प्लस x डिग्री। इफ वी वांट टू यूज कॉन्वर्जेंस क्राइटेरिया देन वी शुड हैव इक्वल। आप जान रहे हैं कि 1 and 2 बोथ आर इक्वल ऑलरेडी, एंड अगर इधर से देखें 1 में हम x ऐड कर रहे हैं, इधर से 2 में भी x ऐड कर रहे हैं, मीन्स यदि इफ एनीथिंग इज एडेड इन इक्वल एंगल्स देन बोथ एंगल विल बी इक्वल। अगर ऑलरेडी पहले से 1 2 इक्वल एंगल गिवन है, 1 और 2 इक्वल एंगल हैं, अगर हम 1 में भी x ऐड कर देंगे और इधर से 2 में भी x ऐड कर देंगे तो बोथ एंगल अगेन विल बी इक्वल, मीन्स वी हैव BAD एंड EAC ऑलरेडी इक्वल गिवन, एंड इन दोनों इक्वल एंगल्स में हमने इक्वल एंगल x डिग्री ऐड कर दिया, तो क्या होगा, तब भी वैल्यू विल रिमेन सेम, वैल्यू सेम रहेगी एंगल की, यानी कि एंगल विल बी आल्सो इक्वल आफ्टर एडिंग x डिग्री। अच्छा, हमें मिला गया जब आपने BAD और x को ऐड किया तो हमें कंप्लीट एंगल मिल गया BAC ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल, एंड सेकंड में से मिला EAD ऑफ सेकंड ट्राइंगल, बोथ एंगल्स आर इक्वल, देन वी कैन यूज इजिली क्राइटेरिया ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी SAS, and thus we have obtained both the triangles are congruent. Okay students, now after this we will use CPCT criteria, means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, so we can say that by CPCT means corresponding parts of all the congruent triangles are equal, we can say by CPCT BC is equal to DE, and by this way we have proved so that BC is equal to DE, proved. So students, you saw that how we have proved both the triangles are congruent and how we use criteria CPCT to show the sides BC is equal to DE. Okay students, now write down this solution. So students, now we have question number 7 of 7.1. So students, in this question there is diagram, and we can say that APD is a triangle and EBP is another triangle, and in this diagram P is midpoint. If P is midpoint of AB, then you can say AP is equal to PB given. So we can write also AP is equal to PB. because P is midpoint. And angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. So we have to show that triangle DAP and EPB both are congruent. So first of all, students, we will write proof triangle DAP and triangle EBP. So students, we have to focus on both the triangles DAP and EBP. DAP and EBP, and we have the angle A is equal to angle B. So we can write angle DAP is equal to angle EBP as given. Okay, students. Now, in triangle DAP AP and in triangle EBP BP, both are equal because P is midpoint. So we can write AP is equal to BP because P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of side AB. Okay. Now last point, and we should use angle APB. That is EPA is equal to DPB. This criteria, this angle given, we will use. But how? Think, students, suppose this angle is 1 and this is 2, and we have taken DAP. We are taking DAP angle, DAP triangle, and in this triangle DAP we take APD. So student, triangle DAP and we want to take angle APD, that is this angle, and this angle is nothing but angle 1 plus angle x, because we have supposed EPD is equal to x degree. Similarly, in second triangle, in triangle EBP, we will equate angle PBE, and PBE means this angle. Okay, 1 and 2, angle 1 and 2 already are equal, and to equate both the angles, we should add x degree in both the angles. 1 and 2 पहले से ही इक्वल है, एंगल 1 and 2 पहले से ही इक्वल है. अगर हम इस 1 में x डिग्री ऐड कर देंगे तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये एंगल, और अगर 2 में हम x डिग्री ऐड कर देंगे तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये एंगल, दोनों एंगल इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो लेट्स सी स्टूडेंट्स, as you know, we have supposed EPD is x degree. So angle APE plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. We can write APE and DPE both are equal, and this is x degree. So students, we can write APB means EPA, and the sum of both the angles will be equal APD, angle APD, and the sum of both this angle DPB plus x is equal to BPE, angle BPE. Okay, so these angles are equal. Now students, we can use criteria AAS. So by criteria AAS, that is, we have two corresponding equal, we have two corresponding equal angles and one side. So A and S. We can write AAS criteria, triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. EBP. So this is the proof of the question. Now AD is equal to B by CPCT. We can write here by CPCT. We will get AD is equal to B. So okay students, we have proved this solution, and I hope you will prove remaining questions with the help of these solutions. So now we will meet our next video. Till then students, keep watching, and if you like, subscribe the channel and solve question from NCERT as well as RS Global for more practice, for more concept clear. तो okay students, तो आई होप आप इसको जो है यू गॉट इट, एंड आगे आप इसको सॉल्व करते रहेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. थैंक्स.